Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you cannot go live on Instagram. Here is how to fix. So at first open Instagram and check my profile. So you need to first go to your Play Store, search it to Instagram. At first you need to update your Instagram. Just click on to update. And the second solution, go to your phone settings, go to app management, click on to app list, and you need to at first find Instagram. Click on to force stop and clear data. At last, first of all open aeroplane mode and sometime late to disable aeroplane mode. And open Instagram again and then trying to go live option. Okay, now successfully solve this problem. So if you want to follow my all process very carefully, I hope you can solve this problem. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.